In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hubspot LinkedIn Sales Navigator integration. This invaluable tool will help you streamline your sales process by connecting two powerful platforms. Whether you're a seasoned sales professional or just getting started, integrating these platforms can enhance your networking capabilities and improve lead engagement. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the process step by step. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hubspot homepage. You'll need to log in, so look for the login button and click on it. If you haven't already created an account, make sure to sign up to gain access to all the tools HubSpot offers. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage, the central hub for all your marketing, sales, and CRM operations. Now, the next thing you want to do is locate the marketplace icon. It's usually represented by a small grid or cluster of squares icon on the navigation bar. Give that a click and you'll be taken to the marketplace, where various apps are available to enhance your HubSpot experience. Once you're in the marketplace, look for the apps section and click on it. This is where you will find all the third-party applications that can be integrated with HubSpot. The marketplace is pretty extensive, but don't worry, there's a quick way to find exactly what you're looking for. Head over to the search bar at the top and type in LinkedIn. Here, the LinkedIn Sales Navigator should pop up as one of the top options. This tool is essential for any sales team looking to leverage LinkedIn for prospecting and lead generation. Click on the LinkedIn Sales Navigator to learn more about its features and how it can benefit your organization. With LinkedIn Sales Navigator selected, you'll want to proceed by clicking the Install App button. The installation process is straightforward and typically just requires you to authorize HubSpot to integrate with your LinkedIn account. Make sure you have your LinkedIn credentials handy, as you'll need to log in during this step to complete the integration. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated the LinkedIn Sales Navigator with HubSpot. This setup will enable you to import lead and contact data seamlessly, monitor LinkedIn activity directly from HubSpot, and ultimately save time and boost productivity. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you now feel confident using these integrations to elevate your sales strategies. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier. With a bit of practice and exploration, you'll be optimizing your workflow like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your software tools.